Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable charger that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ugreen 5000 mAh magnetic power bank. The Ugreen 5000 mAh magnetic power bank is far from the portable charger with the highest capacity on this list. However, it still has redeeming qualities. It's small enough to fit in a pocket and still charges a phone roughly once over on a single charge, which is precisely as much as most users need. Plus, it comes at a budget-friendly price point, so you won't break the bank by adding it to your packing list. We also like that it's MagSafe compatible, and it feels incredibly secure on our phones. No amount of shaking made this thing fall off. If you want to use it to charge your watch or headphones, there's also a trickle charge mode that delivers the right amount of power to smaller devices. However, it's worth noting that our testing nets this charger out to 3,193 actual mAh. While that's not enough to fully charge most smartphones, it's just below the average mAh difference at 63.86%. With that in mind, this is a great option if you want to top up your phone throughout the day, but don't often need a full charge. Moving on at number 4, we have the Anker MagGo Power Bank. The Anker MagGo Power Bank is a MagSafe compatible portable charger that attaches to the back of your phone and charges your device without you needing to bring an extra cable. It has a 10,000 mAh capacity, which will give you between a full charge and 2, depending on your device and how much you're using it while it's charging. One of our favorite features about this portable charger is the stand on the back, which turns your phone into an alarm clock on your bedside table. Well, it already was an alarm clock, but you know what we mean. The LED screen on the side is helpful for understanding how much charge you have left while on the go, as most chargers only have LED lights that slowly disappear as they lose charge, leaving you guessing exactly when you'll run out. At number 3, we have the Clutch Pro, world's thinnest portable charger. The Clutch Charger Pro has been a pack hacker favorite since we first got our hands on it in 2023. And we've been using other versions of this battery bank from Clutch since 2021. With an advertised 5,000 mAh capacity, this is a step up from the older Clutch models that were a battery topper, not a full charge. Some larger phones still won't reach 100% with the Clutch Pro, but it does more than some competitors. Plus, it has MagSafe capabilities, so you can use your phone without worrying about where to put the charger. And since the charging cable is attached, you don't have to bring a separate one. However, like other portable battery banks in the Clutch line, you only get one cable and can't swap it for another one. That means if you buy the Lightning version, you'll only be able to charge items with a Lightning port. At number 2, we have the Rolling Square TU2 2nd Gen Power Bank. If you're looking for one of the smallest portable chargers on the market, look no further than the Rolling Square TU2. It comes with a charger that you can mount to your wall at home, which we like because it makes it easy to keep the charger topped up whenever we're not using it. But it can also be repowered with the attached USB-C cable while you're traveling. It also has Lightning and micro USB, so between the 3 different ports, you're pretty much covered. The 2,000 mAh capacity is on the lower end, so it won't give your phone a full charge, but it works great for topping up during a long day of exploring. In our daily testing, this works well on a long bike ride around the city where your fitness tracking app will drain your battery, a day at the beach where you'll be listening to music all day, or a transit date when you won't have access to a plug at all times. In short, it comes in handy when you just need a little extra juice to get you by. And finally, at number 1, we have the NITECORE NB-Air USB-C 5000 mAh Power Bank. If you didn't notice from the image, the NITECORE NB-Air USB-C 5000 mAh Power Bank is tiny. Though it's small in size, it packs a punch. For years, 5000 mAh was the standard for portable battery banks, and although it may seem small today, it'll suffice as a top-up for most modern phones and fully charge those with smaller batteries. In testing, We achieved 3,160 mAh from the advertised 5,000 mAh capacity, which is just over par for the course. This thing is so small that you can fit it into your pocket with your phone, inside the smallest slings without causing a fuss, and into your tech pouch, no matter how small it is. No, it isn't the most powerful device on this list and only has one USB-C port, but that's all some travelers need. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.